The Embodiment Kit project gives LLM agents an interface to sense and interact with the environment that their human user is in. In this video, I'll show a few demonstrations of basic ways to use the Embodiment Kit. First up is using the Feather S3 reverse TFT's built-in display and buttons to prompt the user asking for instructions on how to do something and get the results back. The next example uses one of the kit's sensors to check the temperature in the room and shows a cute happy face on the display. The last demo uses the kit's display and NeoPixels to show the status after running the tests for a software project. These demos only scratch the surface of what's possible with the kit. Find out more about this project at learn.adafruit.com and have a nice day.